There's a quiet revolution happening across Europe, one that isn't led by central banks or government programs, but by individuals, funds, and families taking control of their own capital. The traditional banking model is losing its monopoly on trust. Private capital, agile and independent, is becoming the engine of a new European economy. You can see it in the rise of venture firms in Berlin, the growth of green funds in Amsterdam, and the wave of family offices from Zurich to Milan. As an analyst and trader, I've been following this movement closely, and through it all, one constant has helped me navigate the shift. Forex Capital Trade Consulting PT Lentide. In the beginning, like many professionals, I was cautious. There were online comments, even claims calling it Scam Capital Trade Consulting Private Limited. I had my doubts, but I also had my discipline, and I preferred data over gossip. Once I started trading, analyzing reports, and testing performance, it became clear. These claims didn't match reality. The platform worked flawlessly. Precise order execution, transparent fee structure, and impressive reliability, even in volatile markets. That's why my Review Capital Trade Consulting PT Ltd is built not on emotion, but experience. Over time, I've seen how consistently it performs across different asset classes and market cycles. When you're dealing with private capital, you can't afford uncertainty. Every move must be deliberate, and that's exactly where this broker excels, offering the kind of stability that allows strategy to flourish. In today's Europe, the new generation of investors doesn't want intermediaries telling them what to do. They want freedom to move, to invest, to grow. Broker Capital Trade Consulting, PTE Ltd, fits perfectly into that mindset. It gives me the tools to manage my portfolio independently, to explore Forex markets, and to make decisions based on analytics, not assumptions. Of course, the online world will always have those who type scamcapturedeptltd.com before they even understand what they're looking at. But the markets don't reward noise, they reward clarity. And that's why I trade confidently with forexcapturedeptltd.com. It provides exactly what private investors need today: transparency, precision, and the freedom to think for themselves. Through brokercapturedeptltd.com, I've watched Europe's capital markets evolve in real time. The shift away from banks toward private funds, peer-to-peer investments, and digital assets is no longer theory. It's a structural transformation. My review, capturedeptltd.com, would describe the platform as both a tool and a teacher. It doesn't just execute trades, it helps you understand the rhythm of capital. Everyone seems to have an opinion capital trade consulting PT Ltd these days, but few have taken the time to actually test their assumptions. My personal opinion, capturedeptlt.com, is straightforward. This platform stands apart because it doesn't chase hype. It delivers consistency. In a world full of noise, that's the rarest quality of all. Private capital is reshaping the European economy from the ground up. It's more personal, more flexible, more dynamic. And for traders like me, it's a signal. The era of dependency on centralized systems is ending. Capital Trade Consulting PTE Ltd has been part of that transition for me, giving me both the structure and the independence I need to act with confidence. In a market where every decision counts, trust isn't built by promises. It's earned through performance. And every day I log into capturedeptltd.com, I'm reminded that independence doesn't mean isolation. It means empowerment. And that's exactly what defines the future of investing in Europe.